Here is why it matters. Leonardo drew a spiraled machine in the 1480s. He called it an aerial screw. He thought it could lift a man into the sky. Workers would spin the screw by turning a crank. The machine looked like a giant corkscrew. Its frame was made of wood and canvas. The strings of the design are simple yet bold. Many people laughed at the idea. They called it a wild fantasy. Leonardo never built it. He left only paper sketches. The world did not have strong engines yet. The screw needed fast rotation to rise. The concept waited for steam and later electric power. In the 1900s, engineers finally tested it. They built a modern version called the helicopter. The shape of the blades still matches Leonardo's drawings. The idea shows how one mind can span centuries. It tells us that imagination can outpace technology. It also reminds us to keep old ideas alive. Imagine a wooden frame hovering over a Renaissance city. Imagine people watching a clumsy but real flying machine. That scene still drives engineers today. The aerial screw inspires modern drones. It also appears in books and movies as a symbol of visionary art. Leonardo's notebook pages still travel in museums. Kids can point at the sketch and see a future plane. This simple picture changed how we think about flight. It shows that a drawing can become a real machine when time catches up. So next time you see a drone, thank a 5-century-old sketch. Keep dreaming, because tomorrow's tech may start on old paper.